সদর দপ্তরে বিজিবি বিএসএফ এর বৈঠক শেষে সংবাদ সম্মেলনে বিস্তারিত জানাচ্ছেন মহাপরিচালকদ্বয়। আমরা সরাসরি চলে যাচ্ছি সেখানে।
And when the firing takes place, then such type of unfortunate incidents do take place. Again, I reiterate that we are committed to bring it down to the zero level, and once again I reiterate that Bangladesh is a friendly country with us, and we have a very good relations with Bangladesh. Only to stop these criminal activities, such actions have been taken in the past. And since I have joined recently, I can only tell you that in future you will see the difference, and we will definitely work closely with our counterparts. They have been very kind enough to offer their cooperation, and we'll see to it that these incidents are brought down. The most significant thing which we have agreed upon is coordinated joint patrolling and creating awareness amongst the people who are living on the border. This will go a long way because since March, because of COVID-19, this activities have stopped. Now we have decided to pick it up again and try to do it in a much more coordinated and cooperative manner. Thank you.
Excellency, our first question was I asked what happened in 2000, what led the huge number of killing increase large scale.
I have answered your question. These killings go up and down mainly because of these criminal activities.
Well said.
My question is to the Honorable DGB. I'm here, Mustafi from the Financial Express. Honorable DG, so you have seen that from time immemorial, for long years, BSF has assured us of maintaining zero killing on the border, but unfortunately that could not happen. So are you satisfied that, what is your point? Are you satisfied with the assurance, or do you think that things will remain the same again?
Yes, of course, I am assured by the new DG of BSF, Mr. Rakesh Asthana, IPS. He has just taken over, and he has assured me that he would try his best to work out a strategy to bring down these border killings. You see, in this conference, this particular aspect took special importance. In fact, we have highlighted this thing at the top of our agenda because it has got a psychological effect on the people of our country. And His Excellency has assured me that he would do his best so that we avoid loss of human lives. At this particular point, which DGBSF has highlighted, that most of the cases, it takes place at night or in the early hours in the morning. So these criminals, they cross the border and go deep inside India. And that is the place where the confrontation takes place. And as a result of that confrontation, sometimes these killings are taking place. So we have agreed to sensitize the people of our bordering areas, so that they refrain themselves to go cross the zero line and go deep inside India. Besides, the points where the killings are mostly taking place, we have agreed to conduct joint patrolling, which were suspended since the beginning of the COVID-19. So we would start immediately the joint patrolling and then see the result, how it comes up. Thank you.
I have to supplement again. One point is that the Indian officials recently have said that there are killings from Indian side also. So, but to be frank, they said that not only the Bangladeshi people of Indians are also being killed by the PGP. So do you want to define
Not
this
by the
as-
BJP, by our own
But,
forces.
yes, that is not said. And another issue is that when you are telling that these things that happen when all people are going into Indian side, so is this not from the part of BJP, is this not a failure?
Well, we have a border of 4,427 kilometer. It is, and it's a very porous border. This border has got rivers, marshes, mountains, and then the plain land. So this is very unique, and very few countries in the world they have borders like this. So that's the peculiarity of our border. Even if we stand by holding hand to hand, just imagine what is the requirement of the force that is required to protect this length of the border. Now we have a border outpost every after 5 kilometers. So it is really very difficult, although we are taking the assistance of technology in guarding and observing this border, but yet it will take some more years for us to effectively control the entire length of the border. So that's a good question. Thank you.
Thank you, BGB, for a nice answer. But I want yes, there's a supplement. That's a supplement. Absolutely supplement. Yeah,
I would request that one person
Sir.
at a time, please.
sir. You say the most of the killing is taking place in the night. So the recent case which took place in Tabukau, it was